Are you tired of having to reel up your garden hose all the time? And maybe you've used one of these boxes like this before, one of these things on the wall. We've done it all here. And finally, I'm super excited to finally get one of these things. I've been looking at them for a while. It was actually given to me in return for this video. So I'm going to go over all the features, why you might want to consider putting this in your backyard to make your life easier too.
What I love is how smooth it feels to use. The bracket swivels a full 180 degrees, so you can move around without feeling tied down, and the hose locks at any length you need so you're not dragging extra weight behind you. When you're done, just give it a gentle tug and the auto rewind system pulls it back in neat and tidy. No more wrestling. The nozzle is a little gem too. 9 spray patterns, so whether you're misting delicate flowers, giving the car a good rinse, or even cleaning off the patio, you've got options. I use the softer spray for my herbs and vegetable plants and the jet for the cool deck around the swimming pool. It's got a comfy grip too, so your hands don't feel like they've been through a workout. Setting it up is simple. Mount the bracket on a wall or a sturdy post, click the reel into place, and you're ready to go. There's even a handle on top so you can lift it off easily if you want to store it or move it. It's built for all weather use with solid brass fittings that don't leak and a tough outer case that can handle bumps.
If you haven't already gotten one of these, I don't know what you're waiting for. This is going to make life so much easier around our house. This does go a long ways and it stays put until you give it that tug and then it'll go in, but it doesn't snap you. It goes in very nicely and smoothly. So then you can stop it at any time and it just stops and locks in until you tug it again. I have to tell you, I'm very impressed. This is going to be wonderful to have year round in our backyard. So if you're looking for a great hose reel, definitely check this one out.